Hi everyone, my name is Jackson Langen and I'll be showing you around Brandeis Dining Hall, one of our 2 dining halls on campus. In Brandeis, there's something for everyone. With all-you-can-eat buffet-style meals, you are sure to find your favorite meals at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When you walk into the dining hall, you'll be greeted by a variety of stations: homestyle cooking, deli, grill, salad bar, pizza and pasta, soups, and breakfast stations. There's a sandwich and wrap station where you can customize your selections. You can also choose from a variety of soft drinks, water, juice, and more. My personal favorite is the in-house bakery and Belgian waffle maker. If you have any dietary restrictions, no need to worry. Brandeis has you covered. The simple serving stations is free from 9 of the most common allergens in food and is also gluten-free. As Blue Jays, caring for the environment is a top priority. As you finish your meal, Brandeis provides areas for you to compost leftovers from your meal and place your reusable dishes to be cleaned. I'm feeling pretty hungry now. Thanks for joining me at Brandeis Dining Hall, and make sure to check out all the other great spots on Creighton's campus.